Hey, what's up, folks? This is Keith. You're watching Barber's Auto Help. Thank you so much for watching. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to replace the key fob battery in this 5-button key fob used by Ford and Lincoln on a lot of their late model vehicles. This here is the part number. Let's go ahead and get into this. First thing, you need to remove the blade from the fob. There's a little button right here. Push it in with your thumbnail and pull the key right out, the key blade right out. Now you'll notice that's where the key blade goes in. There's a little slit right here. Just take a screwdriver and just pry up just like that. Now, once you got it pried up, you can then pull that end up just a little bit and take some kind of non-marring tool and just put the tip of the tool in and kind of slide it rearward like that. And that will release the lid. And then we have our battery exposed here. Now you'll see that you have a couple of locks right here, and then there's this open space right here. You can stick a pick. I would actually suggest that you use something like maybe a toothpick, some kind of tool that won't actually damage anything in there. If you do use a metal pick, just be careful. Don't scratch your circuit board inside there. Now this battery here, this is going to be a CR2450. It's a 3-volt battery, and you'll need one of these. Now there's a plus side and there's a negative side. Now this is where the dielectric grease usually is, right here. If you have some dielectric grease, you may want to go ahead and apply just a little bit to those 4 contacts right there that actually come into contact with the negative side of the battery. A minuscule amount is really all you need. Go ahead and take your battery, negative side down, positive side up. I'm going to slide that end in first and just push it right down. Just like that. Now, you have your lid here, and you can see on the lid there's this little cleat or blade. This is going to go in first like that. Let's see if I can demonstrate this a little better for you here. That end goes in first. Make sure it's good and flush. Press the 2 halves together, just like that. Make sure she's down all the way. Go ahead and replace your blade. And there you have it, guys. I sincerely hope that this helped somebody. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Also, guys, please read the entire description down below this video before you apply any of this knowledge. There may be some things I need to clarify. That's where I do that. And please read the disclaimer at the very end of it as well. Thanks again, guys. Please like and subscribe.